room tour before we mess it up.
Hello. Welcome to room 26. Now it's a little bit tight here, but now this is the bathroom. We've actually stayed in this room before. There's a bathroom. It's a bath. Most of them are showers. I think this is the bath because it's a family room. And there's the wardrobe behind you. Little wardrobe from the top. Full length mirror. Single bed. Obviously, if this is double working, I don't know. TV. Kettle and Yorkshire tea bags and some biscuits and a nice view of the car park. Yeah, like I say, we've had this room before, so we did ask for it because it's just a small room. All good.
Hold on, Sarah.
Yeah, I just asked and I got.
Yeah. Some things here regards York.
Yeah.
Gives you all the details, what's going on, everything else, and also stuff on the Minster Hotel. Gives you all the information that you need. So it's all
Yeah, breakfast is at
well put together.
7 till 10, did you say? Can't remember now. Lovely breakfast, really nice. So definitely on there.